Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hello, my name is Brittany. My channel name is pronounced Braddockstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is one of my favorite ones to film every month. Today's going to be my January Boxycharm unboxing. This is going to be the first Boxycharm of 2018. Woo. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month they take $21 from your account. They send one of these boxes to wherever you want them to. For me, it's to my office. And inside is 4 to 5, usually full-size products for you to test and try and love. I will link Boxycharm down below in case you are curious or want to sign up or anything. But I bet if you're watching this, you are signed up because you're watching it to see what's in it, because you're going to get yours soon and you want to see if I got something different. But in case you didn't already have a subscription, it'll be linked. Real quick before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out a new video every week. I'm going to try to do that a little more often, maybe 2 a week. I don't know. Right now it's 1 a week, but I do put out consistent videos, so go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, it's the same thing, at Braddockstein. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Boxycharm, and let's just go ahead and get into this video. If you would like to see what I got in the very first Boxycharm of 2018, just keep on watching. Let's get into this bitch. Okay, the first item I see here is this bad boy right here. Let me just pull out the Boxycharm card so we can know what we're dealing with, huh? Oh, I thought they didn't include a card. I was wrong. It's right here. Okay, so this bad boy is a primer from Dr. Brandt. It's a Pores No More Illuminizing Primer. So the primer that's gonna make you look super glowy like I kind of look right now. This retails for $38. Dr. Brandt is not cruelty free, unfortunately, so I'm gonna set this in my little box. I have a box now where I'm gonna start putting things that I plan to give away or donate or gift to other people. So this bad boy is gonna go in there, but all of Dr. Brandt's products are good that I have tried, because prior to switching to cruelty free I had tried them. So I will be giving this to someone and I'm sure it's good. It says that it delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion, which is what we all want, right? So if you have tried this, will you comment down below and say if it's good, so if anybody is interested in it, they can know? That'd be great. Thanks. Okay, the next item I see in the box is this giant guy here. We got another eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this palette is from Crown Pro. It is their Glam Metals palette and it retails for $25. Let's look on the inside. I didn't even know Crown made makeup. I knew they made brushes. I didn't know they made makeup. The more you know. Okay, so these are the shades right here. These are really pretty. Are they all shimmers? It looks like these two are matte, but this is kind of like a satiny shimmery matte, and this is like just a matte black. But the colors are pretty. I don't know if I have anything in this collection. Look at it. It's got like a guitar-shaped mirror. For me, the packaging is a little douchey, not gonna lie. I'm not like crazy about it, but the colors look pretty. Let's swatch it. Ooh, they actually swatch crazy good. They feel kind of wet. Alright, so those are 3 of the shades swatched on my hand. Not bad, not bad. I will be giving this a try because I don't have any palettes with this kind of color scheme. I just think the packaging is kind of like high school. But, you know, whatever. Whatever. The colors are nice, so let's go ahead and give it a shot and let's roll on now. The next thing I see in the box is this guy here. This is from It Cosmetics and it's their Universal Brow Pencil and it retails for $24. Ooh, Universal Taupe. My brows aren't really taupe, are they? Let's go ahead and swatch her anyway. Okay, so it's a little dual-ended pencil, a little spoolie. It's a nice soft one. And then on this end is the pencil. Let's see. How do I, oh, okay. So it's got like a little bit of an oval tip. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Can you see? Okay. No? No. Let's go ahead and swatch the color. Yeah, that's not my color. So that's the shade right there. That's definitely going to be too light for me, but this would actually be perfect for my little sister, so I'm going to put that aside for her. I don't know if she does her eyebrows. She doesn't really make up like I do, but I'm going to force her because this looks like her color and her brows could use some work. Okay. Sorry, sister, but I'm going to give you a brow product, so But yeah, if you do have light hair, or if they make a darker shade of this and you've tried it, can you let us know? Is it any good? I bet it's good. I'm not great with pencils though. My brows, like if you look at them, they're all powder, and then I use like a mascara in them. That's what I do, and that's what works for me, and that's what I do. Alright, the next thing I see in the box is this one, and I did see a spoiler for this online, and I was so stoked for it because I actually like Pure Cosmetics. All the stuff I've had, I have enjoyed, and this looks so nice. This is the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette by Pure. I'm really excited. I've been really into these kind of like multi-powder face palettes lately. Don't know why. Never liked them before, but now I do. And I need to break the seal because I need to get into it now. Okay. Nope. Okay, now that we have it open, let me just show you. Oh, there's a little thing over the mirror. That's a good mirror. Products have been coming out with good mirrors lately, and I am all for it. So here are the shades right here. So it looks like an illuminating bronzer, blush, and of course a highlight. I'm curious as to how these colors would work on me. Let me go ahead and swatch them for you. I'm gonna have to do them on my palm where I have lipstick. Ooh, whoa. The texture of these is super, super intense. Look at that. What? They feel almost like a cream, but they're definitely a powder. I'm super thrown off by this right now. Whoa, okay. So those are the shades right there. They all have a lot of illumination to them, and they're all crazy pigmented. Look how much is still in my hands. That's nuts. I'll have to try it on my face to see how that looks. I'm curious. I feel like they might not sit well on my skin, but that's just speculation. I don't know for sure, but I don't know. I'd have to try it because those are so pigmented. Can you imagine that bronzer on me? We'll just have to see. But anyways, that is their Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, and it retails for $34, which is expensive. Okay, guys. And we're down to the last thing in the box. And this one I did see we were getting, and that's why I took off my other lipstick, so I can put on this one for you and show you what it looks like. This is a Galactic Matte Lip Paint, and it retails for $23. I have been wanting to try Galactic stuff. The only thing I've tried is their felt tip liquid liner, and I wasn't nuts about it because I don't really like a felt tip liquid liner. But I'm excited to try this, so let's pop her on, huh? This is in the shade Demure. That color is pretty. Oh. Alright guys, so that is the Galactic Matte Liquid Paint. Matte Lip Paint, and it retails for $23. This is shade Demure. I think it is so pretty. I think it smells pretty good. It smells like, I don't know what that smells like. Almost like root beer? Is that right? It smells almost like root beer to me. I don't think it's supposed to be root beer, but that's kind of what it smells like to me. So I'm gonna say this is a root beer scented liquid lipstick. It feels like it's drying down matte. It's not quite done yet though, so I don't want to do like the transfer proof test. Let's give it a second. And while I give it a second, I'll calculate the total of the box. Okay, so we've got it completely dried down, and it doesn't really transfer at all. There's a little bit there, but that might just not have been completely dry. And so that is the lipstick. I think it looks pretty. I like the formula, and I like the smell, so I am here for it. Alright guys, the overall value of the box this month is $144. That is a pretty good deal considering you spend $144. I mean, I'm not telling you need to have it. I'm just saying, like, that's a pretty good deal. So the choice is yours. Alright guys, that completes this video. That is everything I got in this month's Boxycharm. What'd you think? I think it's a pretty good one. I won't use the Dr. Brandt thing, but it's a good product to get. Like, I feel like the value of the box is good and the products you got are good. Even if you're not going to use everything, gifting is such a serious option. So even though I won't use the primer or the brow product, I still think the box is a win. The eyeshadow palette's pretty, the lipstick's pretty. I'm going to try that Pure palette and see. I'll put it in the description box if it was any good. But overall, I think it's a good deal. Comment down below, let me know what your favorite item was. And again, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave so everyone can find my channel, you know? It helps us out. Okay? Okay. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Did you like what you just saw? If you did, you should go ahead and click right over here to watch videos I put up in the past. If you click on my face, right around there, little Brittany, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. You should do this. This is a good idea. Now I'm gonna go because people are back in my office. Bye.